Hi guys, we are in Sparta Hacks. It's no. Let's start this way. Good morning. Oh man, video editing is so hard. It's taking ages to remove this one single frame. How to do this?
Hey man, what's going on? Are you okay?
Man, I'm trying to edit this one single frame. I'm trying to delete that frame, split it, or maybe I can trim it. It's not working.
You know what? I got the perfect tool for you. You should check out PixelCut.
Show me. What's that?
So as you can see, this is PixelCut. You can press browse files here to upload any video that you want to edit and press confirm. And as you can see over here, it says AI is analyzing. So what we actually do over here is run it through a Gemini API, and we analyze all parts of the video. In the sense, all the actions and speech at every second or so for every event or during the video, we analyze it and we label it. And with that, we understand the context of the video. So by doing that, we can use it to build our chat-based AI system. And as you can see over here, we have the preview video, and we have taken a video with a lot of stuttering to demonstrate on our editing tool. And then also, as you can see on top, of course, we have 3 tabs: the lobby, editor, and studio. Lobby, as you can see, is where you first of all put the files in, and the editor, and it just went in since it finished processing the video. And there's 3 sections in editor, right? There's the AI assistant section, and there's the editor section, and there's the operations section. So you chat with the AI assistant over here, and I can say something like remove stuttering of the video. How about that, right? Stuttering in the video, and then it will run through and it will show what will happen. Okay, so as you can see, we put this message in at 10:44, and it took some time, and after a few minutes it actually removed the stuttering and filtered all the segments of the video, right? And previously, if you saw, it was 25 seconds, and now it's 18 seconds. And in this preview, you can play it, and you can reduce and increase the volume to see what's going on. And over here, there are operations that are there as well, which is the initial analysis. And since we perform this operation, it's shown over here, right here, with the time that we have as well. And then you can keep on chatting with our system, and once you're satisfied with it, you can press export final video. And that will take you to our studio tab, which is the final tab, which shows all the details and analytics of the tool, which shows what processing results are done. And then you can play a demo of the current video too. And of course, the most important part, you can download the video, the edited video. And just like that, it downloads into your system. And that right there is PixelCut. And once you learn how to prompt it properly, you can edit anything at all. And with this, it'll make your life way easier.